Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. As I do, now I have this advice to remove those annoying prints of glass jars, glasses, plates, etc. I had already put a resemblance that I will leave the link in the description, but this is much simpler, and will work for normal labels, or when the glue left the same label and everything we want to clean, and so we can easily remove it. Let's see that we will need the bottle or other object with the label that we want to remove, cotton to remove this, and a little olive oil. They can also do it with vegetable oil, and I feel that it works even better. I do not know if it is for the greasy, but it is so. Let's see how to do it. First of all, we wash the glass well, since it will loosen even more the label with water and soap. They do not have to scrape it too much, just that it goes back and let it dry. Since the glass was dried, we grab the oil, whether olive or vegetable, and we take the cotton and soak it a little in the oil. Not exaggerated, because we do not want to dirty everything. Anyway, I recommend that you do it directly in the sink. We take the glass, dish, or what we want to take the label, and we will only pass the cotton firm several times on it, and will immediately see that it begins to remove as if it were magic. We pass it until we see that there are no glue residues, and we wash it again, and voila! There is already our glass, dish, or flags free of labels, and in an extremely simple way. Already dry the glass is as follows: free of any glue and ready to use, and quickly and easily. As they could see, with just a cotton and a little oil, it is very easy to remove the labels on our kitchen utensils, or almost any surface, and without so much effort or time, and best of all, without spending anything. As you know, if you like this video, give it a little man, subscribe, share with all your family, friends, and acquaintances, give you like on the Facebook page, and check the other videos, since I assure you that some of them will be very useful. Thanks for seeing us, and hopefully they like this advice. As always, see you in the next videos. Thank you.